Hello guys, my name is Bhaskar Mishra and welcome to Study Point. In this video, I will tell you if your PC doesn't have. Yes guys, it is at the end of done. Yeah, it has been completed. Here it is preparing to install. We have to wait. Okay, then we have to click on next, and here I accept the term, the license agreement, and then press on next. Here you have to click on install. Here you have to wait for some. Here you have to click on yes. Okay, and you have to wait for 10 minutes here. After that it will be downloaded. Just you have to wait. It is down installing. Yeah, like this. This one is that here. Time. Yeah, and it will update command registration. This one will take the more time. You have to wait. Yeah, it will take the time. We have to wait. Yeah, here you can see here the 3 presentations are coming. Text maker, plan maker, presentation. I will explain you by opening it. First we have to wait for the time, then it will be completed. Okay. You can see here it is about to complete, and it is removing backup files. We have to wait. Here you can see it has been finished. Okay, and here we have to click on finish. Okay, then we have to open this. Here first we are opening text maker. Okay, here it is open. You can see here it is like that. From here you can select the writing size and the all things that are present in Word. Okay, and then after that plan maker. This is like the Excel. You can see here. In this the word is 1000. I think it is infinite. 1596. It is infinite. Okay, and then this is Excel. Here from you can choose the writing, and here is the size and everything that are presented in Excel. Okay, and then here is the presentation, means PowerPoint. First we have to open it. Now you can see here you can write anything, and here is the substyle. From here is writing, and here is the size, and here is the one word. Is all thing available that you want. Okay, and like this you can choose it. Okay, here from your color scheme that is presenting, and here if you click more color scheme, then it will come like this here, and okay, and everything that you want. Here you can see. Here from here you can edit it. Its color like this, gray, yellow. From here and click on OK. It will come. You can see. You can do the things. Okay. Thank you to watch. Please share, subscribe, and comment on my video.